All right, what's cooler than being cool?
Ice cold.
Then you need this new line of coolers from Dometic. This CFX-3 75-liter cooler is awesome. Built from the same impressive standards of Dometic, this line of coolers comes with enhanced styling and construction. It's heavy-duty yet lightweight. Its total capacity is 75 liters, or an impressive 113 12-ounce cans. But add the fact that you can divide that into 2 independently controlled zones and you have a cooler ready for long adventures. So seriously, do we have to send this back?
Yeah, they want it back.
Oh man, come on, I want to keep this. Dometic is excited about this new line of coolers. They're already touting it as one of their most impressive they've ever made, and we see why. This is their most technologically advanced system ever, starting with the high-resolution, user-friendly display that makes operating this cooler so simple. But say you're enjoying the campfire and don't want to get up to check on the cooler? The CFX-3 can be controlled with Dometic's mobile app. The app can monitor and adjust the temperature, show energy usage, and even remind you if the lid is left open. All this technology also leads to enhanced cooling power. The cooling system is capable of reaching -7 degrees Fahrenheit while using less power than a 60-watt light bulb. That's power and efficiency. So no need to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The system is also intelligent and actively monitors battery power. When it senses low voltage, it can turn itself off. If you're interested in this new CFX-3 75-liter dual zone cooler from Dometic, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.